In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with your PayPal balance instead of using a credit card. Whether you're a long-time PayPal user or just getting started, knowing how to properly adjust your settings to prioritize your balance can often make transactions smoother and allow you to manage your finances better. Let's dive right into the process and ensure that you can easily navigate this system. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal homepage. You can do this by typing www.paypal.com into the address bar. PayPal is a secure and fast way to handle your payments online, and the variety of options it offers makes it convenient for users worldwide. Once you're on the homepage, the next move is to log into your account. Look for the blue login button, usually located at the top right of the page. If you're not logged in already, clicking this button will direct you to the login page. Just enter your registered email address and password to access your account. After logging in, PayPal might prompt you to verify your identity for security reasons. Here, you could receive either a WhatsApp text or a standard SMS with a code. Choose your preferred method, enter the code you receive, and this should promptly verify your identity, granting you secure access to your account. With the security steps behind you, you'll be taken to the PayPal home, which should feel quite familiar as it displays your recent transactions and any important notifications. Next, you want to navigate to the wallet section. Look for the wallet option, typically found in the menu at the top of the page. Clicking this will provide you with a comprehensive view of your linked cards, bank accounts, and your current PayPal balance. This is where the key changes need to be made. Locate the payment options section, where you'll find a list of the various methods you use to fund your payments. What you need to do is click on Change next to your current default payment method. This will enable you to modify how your upcoming purchases are funded. In the following list, go ahead and select PayPal balance. By doing this, you are instructing PayPal to use the funds currently in your balance for future transactions wherever possible. This is notably beneficial if you've received refunds or payments directly to your PayPal account and would prefer to use this money before dipping into linked cards or bank accounts. It's important to note though that sometimes if there's insufficient balance, PayPal will automatically switch to a backup method, so ensure you have alternate funding set if that's likely to happen. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should have successfully set your account to prioritize using your PayPal balance for payments. This method not only helps manage spending, but also leverages the flexibility PayPal offers. Happy transacting, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your PayPal experience.